Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this guide, I will show you how to enable voice chat on your Roblox in just 2 minutes on PS5, Xbox, and PC.
Enable voice chat on Roblox. Step 1. Open Roblox and go to the Settings gear icon. Step 2. Click on the Privacy tab. Step 3. Turn on the toggle for Enable voice chat. Step 4. Complete age verification if Roblox asks, ID plus selfie. Step 5. Allow microphone permission on your device. PS5 steps. Step 1. Open PS5 settings. Step 2. Go to Sound Microphone. Step 3. Select your mic/headset as input. Step 4. Open Roblox, join a game, check mic icon. Xbox steps. Step 1. Open Xbox settings. Step 2. Go to Account, Privacy, and Online Safety. Step 3. Allow voice and text communication. Step 4. Open Roblox, join a game, check mic icon. PC steps. Step 1. Open sound settings on your PC. Step 2. Select your microphone as the input device. Step 3. Open Roblox, go to Settings, Privacy. Step 4. Turn voice chat on, join a game, check green mic.